What's up, home chefs? My name is Leanne, and today we'll be cooking quick, simple, and for the most part, healthy meals. Before we get started, I just want to give a huge thanks to the Free Library's Culinary Literacy Center, SNAP Education Program, the Department of Public Health, and DHS for providing these videos on their website, and the City of Philadelphia, Fill Abundance and Share for providing us with healthy food options, especially during this time through Philly food boxes. So what do we have in our boxes today? Let's see. We've got some applesauce, we've got some chicken, some canned tomatoes. Oh, I think that's a great combination right there. Let me think. Oh, fresh oranges, peaches, apples. Oh, so perfect for the season. So I'm thinking that we can combine these things. Yes, okay. So let's make two things. We'll do a sweet potato and chicken lasagna. Yeah, sounds good. And fruity ice pops. I love it. Fruity ice pops are so refreshing. They're so quick and easy. You can drop them into your juice. You can use them as a popsicle. It's a perfect way to get a cool, refreshing snack, especially during this time when it's so hot in Philly. And lasagna is just a great versatile meal. You can make it vegan, gluten-free, paleo, anything you want, any of those options. And you know, a one-pot method is a great way to pack nutrients, and it's super convenient. So let's get started. When dicing onions, you want to cut from either the top or the bottom and work towards opposite direction. You can usually tell the top from its fuzzy hair-like appearance. Once the onion is cut in half, make about 4 to 5 horizontal cuts depending on the size of your dice, followed by 6 to 8 vertical cuts, avoiding the top or bottom. From there, you can cut downwards to get the perfect dice. When slicing sweet potatoes, start by cutting one side to create a flat bottom. This prevents the potato from rolling, creating a safer environment for cutting. Any dried herb will do. For this dish, I used oregano and thyme. Using a high heat oil is best for cooking with heat, so the oil doesn't degrade as easily. Oils like grapeseed, olive, not extra virgin, safflower, sunflower, canola are all good options. To remove any remaining water from the chicken, saute for 3 minutes till caramelized. Don't worry about the caramelization in the pan. Using a liquid like tomato sauce will deglaze the pan, releasing those flavors into the dish. Use any smaller potato slices to cover the middle. You can add additional layers if they fit in the dish. Again, add smaller potatoes to fill any gaps. Evenly cover the dish to make steam escape and place in the oven at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. To get the most yield out of your apple, cut it like so. We're gonna cut the bottoms off. We're gonna here, and then slice and dice from there. When slicing a peach, you want to use a similar apple method. Slice from the bottom, so it's a flat surface you're working with. Slice here, and here, avoiding the core. At this point, you could use any type of cheese you want. I use cheddar for mine, but it's not Italian, but I like the way it melts. So for crust, you can use a Parmigiano Reggiano, Gouda, Swiss, any harder cheese will do for creating a crust. All right, let's try this. I'm excited to see how this turned out. Let's see. Texture's good. so good. This is really good. Oh yeah. By cooking the onions, letting the chicken kind of brown, adding the tomato sauce last, you definitely get the flavors. Adding the dried seasoning even before that, yeah, the flavors really come out. Ooh, pat on the back. Yes, this is so good. It's so good. Oh yeah. It's not Italian per se, mostly because of the black beans, but like I said earlier, the black beans are a great way to bind the ingredients together, especially since you're not using gluten. Excuse me. But you can add the penne pasta from last week's box, or any pasta you have that's laying around. You can add it in there if gluten is not a problem for you. Let's try the popsicle. And it's like melting because it's been kind of out for a little bit. Oh my gosh, super refreshing. Obviously the handle is super tiny. I just didn't have a lot of room in my freezer, so I ended up putting it on this handle, but making the handle this short. But really and truly, you guys can, if you have a larger handle, please feel free to add it in there. Or even if you have a popsicle holder. But this is really refreshing. It's a nice little bite. So, what did you do with your juice? I used watermelon juice and I added 2 cubes in it in this cute little cup that my mom has. This is so refreshing. This is so refreshing. Today's like 92 degrees outside, so this hits the spot. Anyway, it's been so wonderful cooking with you all. Cheers. Stay cool, stay refreshing. Peace.